Let's go over how to create a new orbit flight. Start by centering the map on your location using the Center on My Location button. Tap the blue Add button and select Orbit Survey. Drag and resize the map to set the orbit over the point of interest in Tap Place. Now, precisely position the orbit using the center anchor point and resize the radius using the orbit anchor point. Tap Add New Flight Plan Name to name your orbit mission and then save. Tap the green check mark to finish saving your mission. To fly the mission, simply tap the Fly button to enter pre-flight. Use the altitude option to determine the height at which the drone will fly. Use path overlap to set the frequency at which the drone will take photos. The drone will then fly the orbit facing towards the center. Use camera angle to set the pitch angle of the drone's camera with 90 degrees being straight down and 0 degrees being straight ahead. Tap Submit to build the mission. Drag the takeoff button to the center of the status bar to take off and begin the mission. The drone will climb to the mission altitude before proceeding on to the orbit start point. The photo icons indicate where the drone has captured a photo. Once the orbit is complete, the drone will automatically return back to the home point. Once it's landed, plug the drone's SD card into your computer and upload the images at app.botlink.com. And that is it. Well done on making your first orbit flight. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials and content.